Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download all your photos on Google Photos. It's very simple and fast. First you can go to your web browser and you can type Google accounts, and there will be Google accounts.google.com. You can click it, and then now you have to make sure you log into the right account with your photos. And then now you can go to data and privacy. And now you scroll down until you find data from apps and services you use, and there is content saved from Google services. You can click it. Now you can scroll down until you find photos, and you can click download here. And then in this page you can click next step. And now you can choose the destination. Maybe you want to add to Drive or to Dropbox, or downloading via email. And then you can choose the frequency. Then you can choose the file type and size. If you have big photos or so many photos, you can choose the biggest one. And then you can click create export. And you have to wait a few hours or maybe a few days, depends on your photos, and you will get the link. That's it. Thank you.